In this video, I'm going to show you how the heat map works.
In this video, I'm going to go through how the heat map works in Visual Analytics. So the heat map is another new feature that we've added. It makes you able to sort of see how a group compared to all the competencies. In this particular project, we had 4 competencies that we looked at, but maybe want to see how this specific group, these 3 candidates on the right-hand side, compare to all the other competencies that we have in the competency framework. Maybe they have a strength or something that we've missed. And then we press the heat map folder here on the left, and then you get an overview that looks like this. As you can see, we still have the same candidates on the right-hand side over here, but you get a heat map. And this will help you understand a bit more how this team likely will operate and what type of strength and maybe weaknesses they might have as a team. The stronger the color is, the more they have of that specific competency, the stronger they're gonna probably be within that competency. And the lighter the color is, it's probably something that's not as a particular strength for this particular group. And we have all the 4 different dimensions that we've used in the competency framework, with the strategic, the driving, the operative, and enabling. And within each you have the specific competencies. If you look at this specific group, for instance, you can also see that we have the numbers in the middle here. That's the average of how they score on all of the competencies that's within this dimension. So for instance, looking at this group, we see that their strongest field is within the operative, meaning that they're probably going to be very conscientious, they're probably going to be very sort of result-oriented, and probably going to be calm and collected even during stressful situations. The cool thing about the heat map is that you can actually change it. So say that maybe Rapunzel moves to another team or similar, you can actually see how that affects the team constellation. In this particular case, we see that the enabling part of this team is probably going to be a lot stronger. They're going to be more sort of team-oriented, agreeable to each other, for instance. And you can actually see that by adding and subtracting people from the group, you get a very different team constellation. So maybe we want to see how ascendic might be in this group to see how that might affect. And you can see then that we get a slightly different constellation that we did with Rapunzel. And we can also see how, even individual level, you can see how it affects the group.